Everything is fine now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi, everything is fine.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, see this, guys. Connected
Yes,
as well, connected as well as non-connected data we are getting or not, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Right,
coming,
right.
coming.
Yes,
That's
Ravi.
good.
So
Yes, Ravi.
what is
Good,
that?
good.
What is that left join?
Matching.
See this plus null we are getting or not, guys? See this, our result null.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Amrani
yes,
is not connected with child.
yes.
So this is nothing but what, left join or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi,
right,
exactly.
let's perform right join now, guys. Okay, come in the same application. Come in the same
You have to
application.
insert one more record for right join, Ravi,
Huh?
in the table. In the department table, you have to insert one more record for right join.
Yes, right table. Means child table.
Yes.
One,
Yes.
yeah, one more record. Yes.
One more record. Okay, let's take this one as a
Yes.
20. And Padma is there na here. Let's take my name only, guys. Okay, and here what is that? What I can take now?
Architect.
Architect.
No,
Architect.
you can
Architect.
Okay, just
Okay.
Manager.
okay.
Yes, yes.
Business
Mm.
analyst. Okay, take this one.
Oh.
No.
Okay, guys, these two records is there.
Architect, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, sir. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so this record is there in the child table, and what is that? Our explanation. If we are performing the left join, means what is that? Matching record. Okay, matching record parent to child as well as what? Non-matching record. Means what is that? Matching record we will get Pujita, Manjulata as well as what now, guys? Mommy, actually my mom is calling now, guys. Okay, no problem. Okay, I cut the phone. My mom is calling now. Okay.
Okay.
So as well as what? As well as what? We will get what is that BA? BA means BA equal to null. Okay, guys. What is that? See this?
Yes, sir.
Because non-matching
Yes,
data business in the what is that? Sorry, in the right join, right? Null means what is that? What we will get? BA we will get as well as what? Matching record we will get.
Yes,
Come
Ravi.
on.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's run the application and we will see that. Already we write right here 1 minute, right 0. Left na right. Right, okay, right. Okay, so now let's run the application now, guys. See this, what is that? Pujita, Manjulata, and what is business analyst, and what is that? This is the not match. We are getting the null
Yes,
or
sir.
not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi,
yes.
perfect.
Yes, Ravi.
Right.
See this, what is that? Null,
Yes, sir.
null. We are getting
Yes,
that
Yes.
non-matching data. I
Yes,
wrote
sir.
already in the right null. So the same result we are
Yes,
getting
sir.
or not on the console.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
Ravi.
Okay. Now full is there. Let's perform full, right? Matching record
Yeah, full
as
means
well as
full.
what? Non-matching also we will get, right?
Non-matching record from positive.
Right.
Yes.
So again
Right.
come to what? Employee repository, and here what we will write? Full.
Full.
Full. Okay. So okay, now run again the application, right click. Matching record as well as what? Non-matching record.
Non-matching records.
Ravi, perfect.
Here we are getting something.
Oh.
What
Syntax maybe. Syntax error, I think.
Could not. Don't worry, we will read the error first. Okay. Yes, full outer join. Okay.
Ravi, I think we have cross join, not full join.
No, syntax check the manual that correspond to. Okay, 1 minute. Be the patience, guys. Okay? Little patience. Okay. Full outer join.
Yeah.
Okay. Now run the. One minute. One minute. E dot full outer join, na? From employee. E, okay, 1 minute. Inner join. Okay. Inner join. Good. Now run the application. Yeah, it's working. Good. What is that here? Full.
I think MySQL is not taking full outer join.
Sorry.
If you execute the query in the MySQL, it is not accepting full outer join. Maybe.
Okay, dialect is there. Now something we only result set could not extract. Okay. Okay, result set is not able to extracting. Okay, because full data is coming now. Something we are doing the mistake now, guys.
Ravi,
Okay.
I think cross join will be the keyword for outer join here, I guess.
Full join. I'm talking about that full join. One minute. Let's take the internet, help of internet. Just minute, guys. Just 1 minute, okay?
Okay, Ravi, please take your time. Please take your time.
Let's trade on that.
Ravi, just to give join. Just to give join. Don't give inner or full left, nothing. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening. No, my actually join concept is working now, but our need is what HQL, right?
Yes, yes. Instead of full join, just give join.
You have to write only join. instead of full join.
No, in the query I'm saying, in the Eclipse,
Query, Ravi. In the query, I think.
in the program.
Yes, very good. Yes. 1 minute. Let's check it, okay? Employee is there, right? Here, join.
Yeah, here I am saying to write just join. That's it. Yeah.
Yes. Correct. So now right. Yes, guys. Full join, right? Full join, but what is it one?
By default,
Got inner join.
No, it is
Inner join
By
by default
default,
it will
yeah.
take.
By
I think,
default,
Ravi,
is inner
inner
join.
join. By default, inner join.
By default, inner join it is.
Yes.
By default, inner join. Okay, guys. So like this only we will perform it. Something is there, we will experiment. Let's not waste the time. Okay. Means all others we experimented. We are getting the result. Okay. In the full join like this only. Little bit somewhere we are stucking now. Okay. We will see the later those things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, so still more concept is there, and what is that you people want? You people become tired now, guys. Come on.
We will continue in the next week. It's okay.
A little bit.
No, we will have dinner and then connect.
Huh?
Yeah,
After dinner.
see, Ravi also tired. Continuously he is talking.
Yes, right.
We
He
will
is tired.
continue
We
the
will
next
take
week,
call.
Okay, guys.
Ravi is
Okay,
having
still,
any-
okay, still more concept.
Okay with you.
See, still more concept is there. Okay, let's deep dive in the next weekend only, guys. Okay.
Yes, Ravi. We will
Okay,
continue the next
Okay,
because
Ravi.
you know,
Yes,
if
Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
if I try also I can't complete. If maybe in the already we are like 6 to 7 hour 6 hour is completed, right? So if I try also now, then what will happen? You know, that much depth I will not go. If now only if I explain it, then
Yes, we want you
But
to
next
Ravi,
week
also
you need to
fine.
prepare, Ravi. Take some
enjoy.
rest.
Yeah.
no, the
Yeah.
see subject is there in my brain, no problem in that.
Yes,
But you know, that sometime actually if you people will not respond, then I will start escaping those things. Na, that is the
We are human beings. Ravi. We
because
are
this is the what is
tired.
that human brain, na.
Yes, Ravi. Actually, too much heavy concept today.
We get
we have
tired,
explained.
Ravi. Yeah.
Actually, still I have the energy. I don't actually I can explain it, guys. Okay, but the
No,
thing
I'm
is,
just
No,
talking about
Ravi.
the consumption part.
yeah,
You are
but the
taking our responsibility, so your wellness also our responsibility. Ravi.
It's not like that. But yeah,
Yeah.
Ravi, the